Sorry, Frankie. I know you used to be close.
Actually, I was wondering if you wanted to come to the funeral. If you don't want to, it's...
No, it's okay. I'd like to come.
I can't believe we're burying her and I didn't get a chance to say goodbye.
You have no idea what she wanted to tell you.
I asked my uncle and he said he didn't know. She was too terrified to breathe in case it pissed him off. Whatever it was, she was too scared to tell him.
Imagine feeling like that about the person you're married to.
Yeah, I know. He was nicer to the dog than he was to her.
Do you remember that time we got the munchies and ate all his posh birthday biscuits?
Except the dog had eaten them.
Wasn't that the first time you got stoned? Ed kept hanging around and we had to get rid of him in case he told on us. How old were you?
14. I thought you were so cool because you were older than me.
I thought you were wild and dangerous because you had drugs.
You were such a chicken, you kept thinking the neighbours would smell it and call the police.
I did not!
Yeah, you did. You kept saying, do you think Paul had time for this? And then you went to the kitchen, you came up holding that box of biscuits with a big stupid grin on your face. I had to rip up the packet and stick it in the dog basket. Oh, God, it's good to see you. I really missed you.
I missed you too. You never even told me you were going, Frankie.
I called you.
3 weeks later from New York. Do you have any idea? I should go.
Oh, no, come on, don't go.
No, I have to get back. I've got plans.
Maybe another time.
Yeah, maybe. You don't have a cigarette, do you?
Sorry, I gave up.
Yeah, me too.
You okay, Hen?
I can't find my purse. Shit. Hello? Hello?
I bet he thinks he's died and gone to heaven.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I just gotta go.
Well, can I have your number?
Take it from me, you really don't want it.